Lesson: Analyzing Intent and Context in Prompt Design. Analyzing intent and context in prompt design is a critical skill in crafting effective prompts, especially within the domain of certified prompt engineering professional. Understanding the nuances of intent and context allows prompt engineers to create prompts that elicit accurate, relevant, and useful responses from AI systems. This lesson focuses on providing actionable insights, practical tools, and step-by-step applications that professionals can implement directly to enhance their proficiency in this subject. The core of prompt design lies in discerning the intent behind a prompt and understanding the context in which it is deployed. Intent refers to the purpose or goal of a prompt, which could range from seeking information, eliciting specific actions, or generating creative content. Context, on the other hand, encompasses the circumstances or background information relevant to the prompt, including user demographics, situational variables, or domain-specific knowledge. A prompt's effectiveness hinges on the prompt engineer's ability to align intent with context, ensuring that the AI response meets the user's needs and expectations. One practical framework for analyzing intent is the intent action matrix, which categorizes prompts based on their underlying goals and desired outcomes. This matrix helps prompt engineers systematically identify and articulate the intent behind a prompt by mapping it to specific actions. For instance, a prompt intended to gather information might be categorized under informative intent, while one designed to persuade might fall under persuasive intent. By clearly delineating these categories, prompt engineers can tailor their prompts to align with the desired user interaction and outcome. To illustrate this framework, consider a case study involving a customer service chatbot. The intent of prompts within this context could vary from troubleshooting a product issue to upselling a service. By using the intent action matrix, prompt engineers can design prompts that not only address the user's immediate concerns, but also guide them towards additional products or services, thereby enhancing the user experience and meeting business objectives. This structured approach ensures that every prompt serves a strategic purpose, minimizing ambiguity and maximizing clarity. In addition to intent, understanding context is paramount in crafting effective prompts. Contextual analysis involves assessing various factors such as the user's background, cultural nuances, and situational constraints. One practical tool for contextual analysis is the contextual inquiry method, which involves direct observation and engagement with users to gather insights into their needs, behaviors, and environments. This method enables prompt engineers to design prompts that are contextually relevant and resonate with the intended audience. For example, in an educational setting, prompts designed for students in a computer science course would differ significantly from those intended for art students. Through contextual inquiry, prompt engineers can identify specific terminology, examples, and references that are familiar and meaningful to each group, thereby enhancing the relevance and effectiveness of the prompts. This method emphasizes the importance of empathy and user-centric design in prompt engineering, ensuring that prompts are not only functional, but also engaging and relatable. A step-by-step application of these frameworks can be seen in the development of a personal finance assistant. The first step involves defining the primary intent of the assistant, such as helping users budget their expenses. By using the intent action matrix, prompt engineers can outline various sub-intents, such as providing budgeting tips, tracking expenses, or suggesting saving strategies. Each sub-intent is then translated into specific prompts, ensuring a cohesive and comprehensive user experience. Next, contextual inquiry is conducted to understand the target audience's financial literacy, preferences, and habits. This involves surveys, interviews, and user testing to gather qualitative data. The insights gleaned from this process inform the design of prompts that are not only informative, but also personalized to the user's financial goals and circumstances. For instance, a prompt might suggest different budgeting strategies for a college student compared to a working professional, reflecting a nuanced understanding of their distinct financial contexts. Incorporating real-world examples further illustrates the importance of intent and context in prompt design. A notable example is the integration of AI in healthcare, where prompt design plays a crucial role in diagnostic systems. The intent behind these prompts is to assist healthcare professionals in diagnosing conditions accurately and efficiently. By analyzing the context, such as patient history, demographics, and symptoms, prompt engineers can design prompts that guide the AI to consider relevant variables, thereby enhancing diagnostic accuracy and reducing the risk of errors. Statistics underscore the impact of effective prompt design on AI performance. Research indicates that well-crafted prompts can improve AI response accuracy by up to 30%. This highlights the strategic value of investing time and resources in analyzing intent and context, as it directly influences the quality and reliability of AI systems. By leveraging frameworks like the intent action matrix and contextual inquiry method, prompt engineers can systematically elevate the performance of AI applications, driving both user satisfaction and business success. Moreover, the ethical implications of prompt design must not be overlooked. Ensuring that prompts are designed with ethical considerations in mind, such as avoiding bias and ensuring privacy, is paramount. The contextual inquiry method can aid in identifying potential biases by engaging with diverse user groups and incorporating their feedback into prompt design. This proactive approach ensures that AI systems are not only effective, but also equitable and inclusive, fostering trust and confidence among users. In conclusion, analyzing intent and context in prompt design is an indispensable skill for prompt engineers. By employing practical tools and frameworks such as the intent action matrix and contextual inquiry method, professionals can craft prompts that are strategically aligned with user needs and contextual realities. Real-world examples and statistics further reinforce the significance of this skill, demonstrating its impact on AI performance and user satisfaction. As AI continues to permeate various aspects of modern life, the ability to design effective prompts will remain a critical competency, driving innovation and excellence in the field of prompt engineering.